Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in to see what I am up to. Look what I have. I have my Ipsy box. This is from Open Studios from Ipsy, so this is the June 2021 Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus that you could possibly get to see if you were interested in this. So when you open the box, if you get the plus, discover yourself, and I'll give you a quick sneak peek and then I'll give you a little bit of info on Ipsy. So this is from the Open Studios program. This is their PR package. This is the Glam Bag and Plus bag for June 2021. The Glam Bag is $12 a month. You receive 5 sample or deluxe samples. You get to customize one of the items. Love that. And then the Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. 5 full-size products. You get to customize 3 out of the 5 products. And I'm so excited. My May replacement PR package still has not arrived, but the June one did go out when it was supposed to and arrived on time, because I think the April one would have been here like April 27th. It just is stuck in a distribution center in New Jersey. The replacement was shipped. Hopefully I get that soon. I still will bring it to you and show you what I got in my May PR, but you know, it's kind of useless now. The May bags are done. So let's start with the Ipsy Glam Bag for June 2021. Cute, like peachy color. You know, a lipstick, peace sign, have fun. The lips are raised off the bag, and a nice Ipsy pull right here. This is a cute, cute bag. Lashes. This is adorable. And is this the... Yes, so for June, I don't know if this is the theme. Do you? I will have to look that up. It might be. So this is part of the Ipsy Open Studios for June. Okay, happy for that. I'll put that back in the bag. First item that I have in my Glam Bag is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick in Crush. Always excited to have an ABH product. Well, that's really pretty. And let's do a little swatch of that. Put that on my hand. Love the liquid lips from ABH. I love liquid lips in general. I didn't have it like a pinky on, so there it is right there. Pretty color. It's pinky mauve, like a combination of. So happy for that. Love a good lip. Let's see here. So this product is from Gerard Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever received a Gerard Cosmetics. This is Eternal Eyeliner. And I would assume this is black. Shake before use. I would assume. Oh, it has a little ball in it. So here it is. I'm not going to open this. I don't wear black eyeliner, so I will share that. Oh, I love Tardiest mascara. I love the minis, so I will be keeping that. Love Tarte's mascara. Phenomenal. So then this is from Dermatologist Choice pH Balance Cleanser. Remove and refresh glycolic acid. AHA. Happy to have that. Does it have a seal on it? Yes, I like to see that. This way it stays fresh until I'm ready to use it. And then the last item in the Glam Bag for June is Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. So this is a repair, strengthening hair and scalp mask. Let's see, this should have a, yes, a seal on it too. So I'm going to leave these hair masks. I haven't been doing a lot of them lately, but I might try this. Just curious. a shampoo tomorrow. So before, you know, I shower in the evening. So like after dinner time, I'll put that in, let it sit in for a while, and then, you know, get in the shower and shampoo out. So that is my June glam bag, which getting this alone, and then the eyeliner and the mascara, you know, 3 makeup, 2 skincare, happy with that. So let's take a little peeky here at the Plus. These boxes, they open up. So here's a little sneak peek at the Plus. Let's take a look at this. Cute, cute bag. I really do enjoy these. I put some giveaways in them sometimes. I share them. That's adorable. I like that a lot. It's great when if you want to pack, you can put your underwear and like your bras, like things like that in there. I saved that for last because I just caught a glimpse of that. I'm super excited. I was going to buy them. This is by Foxy Bay. This is 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. It has biotin in it. Look at the size of that. That's huge. This is a daily leave-in hair mask. How can I use it daily? Apply a quarter-size amount onto damp hair. Okay, well, if I don't wash my hair every day, I can't use that daily. So I could try this too. We have gotten this brand before. I don't think I have received this, though. This is from Mud Masky. This is their eye mask. Serum infused eye mask. Dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, swelling. I don't have swelling. Dry, yes. Fine wrinkles starting. Not really puffy. Dark circles, yes. Right here, Mud Masky. Trying to think what we had from them in the past. Honestly, could not tell you. I do not remember. It does have a seal, but I am going to keep this out and try this tonight when I take everything off. I have darkness. I don't necessarily have dark circles. I just have like overall darkness. And what is this here? Oh, from Benefit, the Pore Professional Super Setter setting spray. Look how tiny that is. Let's see. That's cute. Now is this, I know they mix this stuff up. Is the Anastasia, nah, I would think that's part of this, the June. So then here we have from Bali Balm, Lemon and Black Pepper Lip Balm. I'm trying to think which one I have over at my bedside now. I have one of their products over there now. So this is the tube. Let's see if we have a seal. These are usually just like the little hole, like right there. Just, ooh. I have lotion on, so. What's that smell? I mean, I can smell the lemon, but it almost smells like Pledge, like lemon Pledge. I hate to say that, but that's what it smells like. Like first, when I first put it on, that's what it smells like, lemon Pledge. That's horrible, but I could see where that would moisturize as a lip balm. Bee friendly. I don't get black pepper at all. Just the lemon. I mean, here you can, I don't know if you can see the sheen on my hand versus the other one that has nothing. I mean, I can see it in person. So that lip balm will do wonders for your lips. And then the last item that I have for my Plus came right here in this little packet right here, and this is from SL Miss Glam. I had said I wasn't going to keep brushes, but I am keeping these. I was going to purchase these. I love Stephanie from SL Miss Glam. Love her brushes. I have many, many of her brushes and use them all the time. So we have 3 eye brushes. I don't think on here, because of the glitter, it does tell you what they are, like real small. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, eye blender. I don't have any idea how I'm able to read this. That's a tricky one. Precise eye. This will be a little bit easier because it's bigger. Oh, maybe not. tapered face right here. And then this one should be like a powder. Yes, powder brush. And I am going to be keeping these, so I don't have a problem touching them. Beautiful glitter. She always does the rhinestones and then puts her right there. These, I don't want to put that on that hand because I don't want to get the lip balm. Phenomenal. And it's like sherbet, like the orange and then the pink. I love her brushes. Are perfect, perfectly weighted. I just love her brushes. I wish I could afford her lookbooks that have all her brushes in them. I mean, they're gorgeous, but they're a couple $100. Not in my budget for brushes. Not one. And then now I was going to purchase these. Glad I didn't, because now I received them in my PR package, and I will keep these just because I love her brushes, and I tend to grab for them. Oh yeah, nice. Before others, and they're so easy to pick out because she has the studs on them. Always two studs there. So cute. I'm so happy to have this. So there are some of the possibilities that you could get for your June Plus and then the June Glam bag. Tell me what you thought about this down below. I think this is phenomenal. My Plus box, the one that I pay for, if I receive the brushes, then I will give that set away because I have a set here. You know, if I don't, obviously I'm keeping these. So hopefully I'll get them in my Plus if it's an option to pick them, because I think we picked first or second somewhere along there for our 3 items. If that is an option for me to choose, I will choose them and then include them in giveaways. If they're not an option, then, you know, I obviously I can't pick them. Maybe they will pick them for me. I have no idea. We'll wait and see for my paid box, but I think both of these are great. This one right here, just with the 3 products alone, the 3 makeup products, to me is worth it. A liner, the Tarte mascara, and I love the samples, and then the ABH lip product. It's right here. Gorgeous. I love the bag. I think it's adorable. And then to get a lip balm, the Professionals and the Mud Masking. This is a good brand. Like I said, we've gotten other products, either Boxy or Ipsy, I'm not sure, but love it. So I'm happy to try this. And this right here makes my box for me. You know, the leave-in mask for my hair. I could you know, I could do without the hair masks. I'm just not a huge fan of doing them, but I don't mind having a few. So I will try. There was a mask for this other one, right? I wanted to try. I'll try this one first and see what I think. And then if I don't think I'm going to get to this, then I'll include that in the giveaway. But I'm not sure. But these right here make this whole box worth it for me personally. And tell me in the comments down below if you get Ipsy, you know, are you excited for June based upon seeing this and maybe some other spoilers? If you don't get Ipsy, why? I think it's, even if you just get this bag, it's worth it. $12. I think you get some great items to try. I love trying samples. Great way to find out if you love a product or don't love. Like, I've never tried the Gerard eyeliner. Now, I won't try it because I don't use liquid black liner. If there's a color, maybe I would try it. So that I'll probably share. But how else? Like, wouldn't purchase this. Not into, like, I don't know what the pricing is. These are like around the $20 mark. I don't need to buy lipstick. So right there, this makes it worth it for me. And then the Tarte little mini mascara, love. So I think I have a great bargain here. And like I said, let me know down in the comments if you get it. Awesome. What do you love about it? And if you don't get it, why? Have you gotten it in the past and gotten burned? Or are you just tired of it? Or are you interested in getting it? I have a link in my description box if you'd like to sign up and get yourself one of these boxes. That would be awesome. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.